Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that sounds simple, but can completely change your life if you apply it seriously. Practice every day and train your mind daily. Not sometimes. Not when you feel motivated. Not when everything is perfect. Every day. The kind of daily practice that slowly builds strength, clarity, and confidence inside you. The kind of training that does not look exciting in one day, but creates powerful results over time. Many people want success. They want confidence. They want discipline. They want a better life. But very few people understand one truth. Results do not come from big actions. Results come from small actions repeated daily. Most people start strong. They feel excited. They plan big. They work hard for a few days. Then life happens. They feel tired. They skip one day. Then another day. Slowly, they stop completely. And then they say, I don't have discipline. But the problem is not discipline. The problem is inconsistency. In this video, I am going to give you a clear, practical, and powerful system to build a daily practice habit and train your mind step by step. This is not motivation only. This is not theory. This is a real method that works when you apply it consistently. If you follow this system, your mindset will change. Your focus will improve. Your confidence will grow. And most importantly, you will become a person who takes action daily. If you are serious about improving your life step by step, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you will get simple systems, practical strategies, and real guidance to help you grow faster and become stronger mentally. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Understand why daily practice matters. This is where everything starts. Most people think practice is just repetition. They think it is boring. They think it is slow. But practice is not just repetition. Practice is training your brain. Every time you repeat an action, your brain creates a pattern. And the more you repeat it, the stronger the pattern becomes. This is how habits are built. This is how skills are developed. This is how your identity is formed. Think about it like this. If you practice positive thinking daily, your brain becomes used to positive thoughts. If you practice focus daily, your brain becomes better at focusing. If you practice discipline daily, your brain starts choosing discipline automatically. But if you practice distraction, laziness, and excuses, your brain becomes comfortable with those patterns. So daily practice is not just about what you do. It is about who you are becoming. This is why consistency is more important than intensity. Doing something small every day is more powerful than doing something big once in a while. Because daily practice trains your brain continuously. It keeps you connected to your goal. It builds momentum. And momentum creates progress. Step 2. Start small but stay consistent. Many people fail because they try to do too much too fast. They set big goals. They create long plans. They say, I will practice for 2 hours every day. But after a few days, they feel tired. They feel overwhelmed. And they stop. This is a common mistake. Big plans look exciting, but they are difficult to maintain. So instead of starting big, start small. Choose a daily practice that is easy to follow. Something you can do even on your worst day. For example, instead of saying, I will read for 1 hour, say, I will read for 10 minutes. Instead of saying, I will meditate for 30 minutes, say, I will sit quietly for 5 minutes. The goal is not to impress yourself. The goal is to build consistency. When you start small, you remove pressure. When you remove pressure, you take action more easily. And when you take action daily, you build a habit. Once the habit becomes strong, you can increase the time and effort. But first, you must build the foundation. Step 3. Train your mind with intentional thoughts. Your mind is like a muscle. If you train it, it becomes strong. If you ignore it, it becomes weak. Most people do not train their mind. They let their thoughts control them. They wake up and start thinking about stress, problems, and fears. They repeat these thoughts every day. And slowly, their mind becomes negative and tired. But you can change this. You can train your mind to think differently. Every day, take a few minutes to guide your thoughts. Remind yourself of your goals. Remind yourself of your strengths. Tell yourself what you want to become. This is not fake positivity. This is mental training. When you repeat strong thoughts daily, your brain starts believing them. And when your brain believes them, your actions change. For example, instead of thinking, I am not good enough, train your mind to think, I am improving every day. Instead of thinking, this is difficult, think, this is a challenge I can handle. These small changes in thinking create powerful changes in behavior. Step 4. Build a daily routine that supports your growth. Your environment and routine play a big role in your success. If your daily routine is unorganized, your mind becomes confused. If your routine is clear, your mind becomes focused. So you need a simple structure that you follow every day. Start your day with intention. Do not wake up and immediately check your phone. Take a few minutes to prepare your mind. Think about what you want to achieve today. Then include small habits in your routine that support your growth. It can be reading, writing, exercising, or learning something new. The activity is not as important as the consistency. When you follow a routine daily, your brain stops wasting energy on decisions. It knows what to do. This creates mental clarity. And when your mind is clear, you perform better. Step 5. Remove distractions and protect your focus. In today's world, distraction is everywhere. Phones, social media, notifications, and constant information. These things may look small, but they slowly destroy your focus. And without focus, daily practice becomes weak. So you must protect your attention. When you are practicing, remove distractions. Keep your phone away. Create a quiet space. Even if it is for a short time, give your full attention to the task. This trains your brain to stay focused. And focus is a skill that improves with practice. At first, it may feel difficult. Your mind will try to escape. You will feel the urge to check your phone. But this is normal. This is part of the training. When you resist distraction, you are strengthening your mind. Step 6. Use repetition to build strength. Repetition is the secret of mastery. Many people get bored of repeating the same thing. They always look for something new. But growth does not come from new things. Growth comes from repeating the right things. When you repeat a useful habit daily, it becomes automatic. You do not need to think about it. You do not need motivation. It becomes part of your life. This is where real power comes from. Because when something becomes automatic, it is easy to maintain. So instead of changing your routine every few days, stick to simple habits and repeat them. Give them time to grow. Trust the process. Progress may feel slow in the beginning, but it becomes faster over time. Step 7. Track your progress and stay aware. One reason people lose motivation is because they do not see progress. They work, but they feel like nothing is changing. This happens because they are not tracking their actions. So start tracking your daily practice. It can be simple. Mark a calendar. Write in a notebook. Record what you did. This creates awareness. When you see your progress, even small progress, you feel motivated to continue. Also, review your progress weekly. Ask yourself simple questions. Did I practice daily? What improved? What can I do better? This reflection helps you grow faster because you learn from your actions. Step 8. Accept discomfort as part of growth. Daily practice is not always easy. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel lazy. Some days you will not feel like doing anything. But this is normal. This is part of the journey. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait to feel ready. Take action even when it feels uncomfortable. Because discomfort is not a sign to stop. It is a sign that you are growing. Every time you push through discomfort, you become stronger. This is how discipline is built. Not by doing things when you feel good, but by doing things even when you do not feel like it. Step 9. Build a strong identity. Your actions shape your identity. And your identity shapes your actions. If you see yourself as someone who is lazy, you will act accordingly. If you see yourself as someone who practices daily, your behavior will change. So start telling yourself a new story. I am a person who shows up every day. I am someone who trains my mind daily. Repeat this identity through your actions. Even small actions matter. Because every time you take action, you prove to yourself that you are that person. Over time, this identity becomes strong. And when your identity is strong, consistency becomes natural. Step 10. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Many people stop because they want to be perfect. They think, if I cannot do it perfectly, I will not do it. This mindset destroys progress. Because perfection is not required. Consistency is required. You do not need perfect days. You need consistent days. Even if your practice is small, even if it is not perfect, it still counts. Because what matters is showing up. Some days will be better. Some days will be worse. But as long as you continue, you are moving forward. And small steps repeated daily create big results. At the end, remember this. Practice every day and train your mind daily. This is not just advice. This is a system for growth. When you follow it consistently, your life changes slowly, then suddenly. Your mind becomes stronger. Your habits become better. Your confidence becomes natural. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start small. Stay consistent. And one day, you will look back and realize that the person you wanted to become is now who you are. Keep going. Your growth is closer than you think. As you continue this journey, remember that real transformation does not happen in one moment. It happens quietly, in the background, through the small actions you repeat every single day. There will be days when you feel strong and focused, and there will be days when everything feels heavy and slow. Both days are part of the process. What matters is not how perfect your effort is, but whether you choose to continue. Every time you show up, even with low energy, you are strengthening your discipline. Every time you train your mind, you are building control over your thoughts instead of letting them control you. Over time, something powerful begins to happen. The habits that once felt difficult start to feel natural. The resistance becomes weaker. The excuses become quieter. And the version of you that once felt far away starts becoming your reality. This is a result of daily practice. This is the power of training your mind consistently. So keep moving forward, one step at a time. Stay patient, stay focused, and trust the process. Because if you continue, if you stay consistent, and if you never stop showing up, the life you are working for will slowly start becoming the life you are living. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.